Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to insert a bubble chart. And bubble chart is a chart that will show you about the prices and the speed and the data on your computer. So that is the example that I will show you today. So how you would do that is first, so the bubble chart has a little bit of trickiness. You'll be really tempted to highlight the whole entire chart like how we do for pie chart, the title and the subheadings for it. So a better example is this one, the title and the subtitle of it. But for a bubble chart, unfortunately, it can't actually help you insert the names towards it. It only really cares is about the data. And for the first plot, so the first bubble, it will all along the x-axis, it will show you is the price. The second of it, it will show you for it on the y-axis, it is the speed. The third bubble, it will usually show you it is the data. So how you would insert this is similar to the other three charts that you have inserted. So far you have inserted is the line chart, the scatter chart, and the scatter plot. If you haven't inserted those ones, you can check out my 3 last videos. And how you insert a bubble chart, like I stated before, do not highlight the first 2 rows. Highlight the 3rd row onwards. After you finish doing that, onto the ribbon, go to your insert from the charts, along with the weird one that's like similar to your scattered, go to that one, so to that icon, click on it, the drop down arrow, and for a more cooler effect, I'm gonna go with the 3D bubble. And as you can see, like I said before, it doesn't show you the title, so all you can do is add back the title over. So you can do it from here, the bubble chart, and then for the chart elements, click on it and the plus sign will show up to add in the chart elements. Please tell me there's a better word for this. If there is, please comment on below. And then for the axis titles, please tell me if I'm saying the word wrong too. So for here, it is going to be saying the speed. And for here, the price. And to keep all of your notes organized so that later on you can refer it to which charts are better for what data, I will show you again how to move a chart to a brand new sheet. So all you need to do is click on a chart, onto the ribbon, go to move chart, new sheet, and right over here, just key in bubble chart. And on my next video, I will show you, it is, let me go back to sheet 1. I will show you how to do a radar chart, and a stock chart, pie chart, donut chart, combination chart. So if you're interested in the rest of these content, remember to subscribe and put the notification bell on so you will know when all of my upcoming videos. Bye for now.